Welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ERR unsafe port error on your Android phone in a simple and quick way. This error usually appears when your browser blocks certain ports for security reasons. But don't worry, there are a few easy methods you can try. First, try using a different browser. Some browsers like Firefox do not block these ports, while others like Chrome, Edge, or Opera may restrict them. Simply install Firefox from the Play Store, open your link there, and check if the issue is gone. Now go to Settings, then Apps, and find Chrome. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Finally, check for software updates. Open the Play Store, search for your browser, and update it if an update is available. Updated versions often fix bugs and improve compatibility. Thanks for watching.